Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Travel Tuesday. Thanks again for joining us. This week, we're going to be speaking about vehicle return, which is typically one of the policy benefits you'll find in your policy terms and conditions. So, some of the most common questions here. First of all, what happens to my car if I'm sent back to Canada due to sickness or injury? If I pull or drive an RV, what happens then? And how much does it cost to bring a car back to Canada? Now, vehicle return benefit. If you drive to your destination, what happens to your car can be of great concern if you're sick or injured and need to return to Canada via plane or air ambulance. Since most insurance policies pay to have your traveling companion return with you, your car would be the remaining piece left at your destination. Some insurance policies cover the cost up to a certain dollar amount to return your car back to your home address. If you drive to your destination, this should be a benefit that you look for or ask about when shopping around for different travel insurance policies. Now let's talk about return of RV. If you drive or pull an RV, you should look for a policy that both allows an RV under the return of vehicle clause and has a large dollar amount of coverage for this benefit. Due to the size and nature of this vehicle, they typically cost a lot more to bring back to Canada than a regular car or vehicle. Therefore, you want to try and purchase a policy with a significant amount of coverage for this. All policies differ as to if they cover this at all and the dollar amount they will cover, so be sure to ask about this if it's something that you require. Now, cost of return. The cost to return a car or vehicle back to Canada very much varies. And that depends on your make, model, size of vehicle, the company that's shipping it. If you want to get an idea, you can always call around with the specific details of your vehicle information to see what transport companies are charging, just to get kind of a ballpark idea. And you can then compare that amount to the dollar amount of coverage indicated in your policy. Now, for our specific policies, I know we found that the amount of coverage is generous, very generous. But then again, this varies with all insurance policies, and I can't speak for everyone. So if it's something that concerns you, be sure you do your homework prior to actually purchasing that insurance policy. And that way you can know before you go. Thank you so much for stopping by. We're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated. We've been insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. You can check us out online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at that toll-free number right on your screen. Thanks. Have a wonderful week.